segment, the volleyball, with our new co-host, Julie. And we are gonna teach you how to play volleyball with Jacqueline and Julie. Stop. So, you want to know how to bounce a ball? Okay, no, let me show you how to bump. This is how you bump. Yes, you go, Jacqueline. Wait, let's do this. How do you zoom out? Oh, this is how you bump. Okay, so ready? You're going to round up, and you do that. Okay, wait, this is how you make your hands. Wait. See, like this. Where? I can't see. Okay, see? So you make a fist, right? Where is it? Okay. And you take it, and you cover it, and you go like this. Yeah. And then you bump. Yeah. No! That was, don't do that! Okay, let's look at this. Now, me and Jacqueline will teach you how to... Got a call! Hello! We'll teach you how to set. So first, you take your fingertips into, like, just your fingertips and make a triangle, right? And you throw it up, and set, and bump, and... Ow! Sorry, we have little technical difficulties. Bye.